Not today. When's the last time y'all smoked in here? Last night. Y'all got a card? Yeah.
Sir, I'm from Tennessee.
I mean, okay. Do you have a card? Okay. Is there any weed in the car? Honesty goes a long way.
I have my grinder to ask some minute. I don't know.
I got you. We can work with that. I'm gonna have both of y'all step out. Watch that traffic though, okay? You're tall.
Yeah, well, I said, Tony Allen, bro. I ain't know you. I thought you knew.
I don't really watch basketball. I'm not gonna be real with you. No disrespect. You sit back here.
Yeah.
Nothing on your person, nothing like that. Okay. If you would put your hands on
I
that.
think I did a nice Hyundai Elantra.
You had to.
We had in Shelby, Tennessee.
Just everything on my person.
All right. You ain't got nothing. You okay? Just water.
You got a whole.
Cinnamon rolls. Oh, he's smoking good, huh? Damn. Grinder. Oh, he wasted his weed.
What do you do? Come on,
Dirty car. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What is this?
Be careful.
Yeah, don't
It's
waste
coming
that.
out. But I'm gonna place you in cuffs, detaining you at this time, okay?
I need.
Go ahead, put your hands behind your back, man. Yes, sir, we do.
Okay. Are they putting the other dude in handcuffs? Let's check it out. Yep, they putting him in handcuffs too.
Right now you're good.
I ain't going nowhere, bro. I'm saying. I gotta be disrespected like this, bro.
You're not being disrespectful.
Like I promise you, I ain't no harm. I ain't no threat. I ain't no.
That still. We do this all day, every day, dude.
Bro, I was going to do a podcast. Literally, he telling y'all what he told you everything what was going on. All this extra shit. I don't even know. I'm man. I should have just got an Uber, bro. Man, y'all bogus.
Come on, bro. I mean, it's the old adage. You get more response with, shit than honey. Come on, bro. You can't. The thing is that you're already in a spot where you're driving around, you're smoking while you're driving. You got what looks like cocaine or fentanyl or some other product found in a cigarette package in the seat behind you. So obviously they're going to first probably say it's yours, so it's on the seat that you're driving in. So first thing I would say, man, is that, hey, be cool, bro. Be cool, because nowadays you could get a ticket for those kind of drugs. So be cool with the people. Don't, we live in this place where, being cool with people goes a long way. And specifically if you're getting caught in the wrong, if you're already getting caught in the wrong, why be aggressive? Why would you start talking crazy and act like, you should be treated a certain way? Now, mind you, this is Tony Allen. So he has made a lot of money. He's famous for playing in the NBA. So that adds to it to the point where you could say that he might feel that he deserves more respect than the average person. But when it comes to the police officers, they can act like they don't know who you are.
Bro, y'all should have got me, bro. Should have never came and got me.
Oh,
I got too much to lose.
Calm down.
With you, man.
Calm down,
No,
Tony.
this is my life, man. I'm a ball player, bro. I don't got to do with that smoke weed and shit, bro. You bogus. Bro, don't ever come here, man. Y'all bogus.
Yeah.
Y'all
Look,
bogus.
we're gonna go back here, okay?
Why would you?
Come on, Tony.
Why?
Little white Jordans on.
Why, bro? I swear to God, officer.
Tony.
I got too much to lose,
Come on,
bro.
man.
He did did all that,
We're
bro.
gonna
I don't
figure it
know
out.
what he gave to him, bro.
We're gonna figure it out.
Man, I swear to God, bro, he's bogus, man. They shouldn't have picked me up like that. No way, bro.
Let me
Why
double
would y'all
lock
pick
these.
me up like that, bro? Why, bro? Got nothing to do with I smoke weed. Yeah, that's it, bro. I don't got nothing to do with all that extra ass dude, man. Let me just say, damn, bro. I'm a community guy, bro. I'm not, this ain't, I can't fit in here, bro. Look, I'm 6'5", bro. I can't fit in there, bro. I'm 6'5", I can't fit in there. I'm not even on that, though, sir. Why y'all treat me like I'm really not on
Look, the only
it?
reason we got on that, what you're calling on that, is because you started getting mad, frustrated.
Because I'm looking at this like, bro, I don't
I
want to be in
get
this
that.
situation, bro. I could have stayed at home, bro. I was at home. They came and got me on that, bro. I don't even
Stayed
know.
at home then.
I swear to God, I just realized that. I didn't know him. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
I literally just got a ride. He got pulled over.
You say you got harassed.
Man.
Hold on. You say you got harassed.
I didn't know him. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you.
I literally just got a ride. He got pulled over.
So he's claiming to not know the driver, saying he just got a ride. So is it an Uber driver? Is it a Lyft driver? Is it just a friend of his that's giving him a ride? You know, it's a little bit of information that we don't have, but there's like a 43-minute video of the body cam footage. We won't go through that today, but maybe on some other day if it's really interesting.
Man, I'm getting charged.
We're gonna go with Pinsac County Jail. Yes, sir.
For what?
Possession of cocaine, possession of
I didn't have no possession of cocaine. That's
easy.
sir, I'm asking you, sir, can we talk? Can we have a conversation?
Yep, we can. We'll talk when we get up to the jail, okay? I promise you that.
Sir, I don't do no cocaine, sir. I'm not in possession. It's just a ride for me, sir. I promise to God, sir, on all 5 of my kids. I wish I wouldn't have never gotten in the car, sir. I ain't have to come to no podcast. I could have stayed at home. Yeah, I smoke weed. That's it, sir. Ain't none of that stuff mine, sir. This is gonna hurt my image, sir. I don't have nothing to do with that, sir.
His image.
I'm truly honest, sir.
And I'm gonna have an honest conversation with you when we get up there. I'm gonna talk to both of y'all, okay?
Man, please, sir. This stuff, and none of this stuff is there. It's not my stuff, man. You know, this is my image, bro. Like, for real. These cuffs hurt too.
They're not comfortable, sir.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Trey, see if you can get your hand in there and pull out the, hang on, no, you're fine. I was just trying to get him to pull that out.
All right. This right here.
All right.
All right, so there was another video. There's another video of where the gentleman that was driving was trying to take the rap for the drugs. So I want to check that video out, but first I want to say that, come on, bro. Come on. And I don't know why or where we get this idea that being aggressive and boisterous in front of police officers is going to help in any shape, form, or fashion, because it never does. And I can admit that I did that back in my youth as well. I can't say I did not, but eventually I realized that, you know, police officers in most cases are just people just like you and me, and they don't like to be disrespected. So if you start talking all aggressively, specifically if you're caught doing the wrong, that's the whole thing. If you're already caught doing something wrong, why get all aggressive? Why start, you know, being mean to the police officers and act like they're doing you wrong when you've been caught doing something wrong? I mean, you don't have a leg to stand on by then. And then if you start getting all aggressive and start getting all disrespectful, then they're going to lose respect for you, and then they're not going to offer you any kind of leniency or any kind of idea of help that they can offer you. Because I'm telling you guys, I've watched a lot of police shows, OPLs, the live PDs, and the such, and I've seen several times over the course of these shows where people have been let go for having cocaine, for having fentanyl, for having ice, or whatever the drug may be. They will give you a ticket and have you show up to court later. And if you don't show up to court, they'll just set out a warrant for you. So I've seen many cases where, people had, hard illicit drugs and got a ticket and walked away. Now, mind you, I cannot say that a lot of those people were black, but I've seen cases with even black people that were cool with the police officers, were respectful and did what they asked them to do, and they had cocaine or crack or something like that. They would give them a ticket and have them show up to the jail or to court on a Monday or whatever it is, but you won't go to jail at that moment. I mean, at this point, it's just a respect level, specifically when you're dealing with authority figures like police officers and, they catch you in the wrong. Just be cool about it. All right, so we're going to check out this video of the gentleman that was driving him, and he had like maybe a different story. Let's check it out.
Have anything to hide from anybody? It's a little bit of weed. I don't have anything to hide from anybody. It's a little bit of weed. It's probably not even a gram. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah, I understand.
It's the other, and I have a prescription. It's the other that you're talking about is field testing. Tony Allen has absolutely nothing to do with that. Tony Allen has only been in my car since 8:43 this morning, and we came straight here. I'm pretty sure even if that's tested, that is probably weeks and weeks and weeks old, and I'm willing to go to your station right now and take a piss test to prove that I'm not even on it myself.
But you understand you have physical control your vehicle and there's cocaine in your car.
Yes, sir. I understand that. I understand that's the charge, and I understand that's possession. I full 100% understand that. But I can absolutely promise you, sir, that is not mine. I do not take cocaine. I take my hydrocodones. I smoke a little bit of weed because the hydrocodones make me antsy, but I have back problems from being a professional wrestler for 15 years. That's why when the gentleman opened up my trunk, you'll see that I have several Jimmy Hart photos and several Jimmy Hart signed autograph sunshades. I was the promoter that ran the Jerry Lawler Jimmy Hart event in Truman, Arkansas, last part of August 30th. I have nothing to hide, sir.
Okay. Did Tony Allen have anything to do with that?
No, sir. Tony Allen has with the show.
No, I'm talking about with the cocaine.
No, sir. Tony Allen has absolutely nothing to do with any of that. If Tony Allen had some on his person, as you know, sir, it's
I understand.
Personal amount. Tony's got absolutely nothing to do with it. I wish y'all would let Tony go.
Wow.
I will take 100% responsibility for everything in my vehicle. Like I said, there was a grinder. It's probably got maybe a half a gram of marijuana in it from last night that I just didn't finish off. And I accidentally left my pipe in the car. Again, I just threw everything in and went in the house. I don't have anything to hide from anybody.
So, wow, I mean, okay, so, a boy's taking the rap for the cocaine. Now, mind you, the question is going to really be on if they believe him or not. The simple fact of the matter that the cocaine was in the same seat that Tony Allen was sitting in is a questionable thing, but I'm going to sit here and say that the simple fact that the cocaine was in a cigarette package, that would kind of tell me that the cocaine was somebody who smoked cigarettes, and I'm not sure Tony Allen as an NBA player, maybe he smokes a little marijuana, but I would highly doubt that he smokes cigarettes. So maybe this gentleman saying what this gentleman is saying is true. I mean, it quite possibly could be true. Quite possibly something that, has been in his vehicle for quite some time. We just don't know. And let's face it, Tony Allen was arrested. I think he definitely was charged for the cocaine. So I guess they just didn't believe this guy's story. But I mean, the fact is that Tony Allen is a man of means. He's a successful NBA player. He has money. He has fame. He has the ability to fight such a thing. And with this video right here, he has quite a good chance of beating the cocaine charges. Because this is evidence of a contrary that the cocaine is his. And it's spoken by another man. Now, mind you, Tony Allen did kind of snitch on the homie like that. It is what it is. Tony Allen is, he was in he was backed into a corner, and he decided that he was going, hey, that ain't mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey. And that's fine. We can't fault him for that. And the only way we could fault him for it if, honestly and truly, the cocaine was his. And we definitely don't know that for sure. So, let us say that Tony Allen is a man that we know smokes marijuana, and he got caught smoking marijuana in Tennessee. Oh yeah, because he played for the Memphis Grizzlies. What am I talking about? That's where he is. So it makes sense that he would get in trouble for having the marijuana. The marijuana was in his pocket. You're not getting off on that one. Marijuana's in your pocket. You had the backwoods. He's probably about to roll the grinder and all that with the pipe. Dollars of donuts. That's this gentleman here's. It's going to be a hard uphill battle for Tony Allen. But I think he has a leg to stand on where he probably can get off of the cocaine charge. Probably get a marijuana charge. Everybody pretty much cool with people doing marijuana these days, so he'll be fine. Alright guys, let's hope that, because originally I was going to go into this story about, hey, rich, famous people need to have drivers, but he had a driver. So that's not a case that I can sit on. I can't, go at him about it like I would, the Adrian Petersons of the, that get caught sleep drunk in their car, or who else was the Truth. He got caught drunk in his car too. So it's not that case. This is a man going to a podcast, had a driver. I don't know why they got pulled over. That's a good question. I need to figure out why they got pulled over. That's very pertinent information. So once we figure that out, we'll come back. We'll revisit it. We'll check out the complete body footage, and we'll let you know what we think. All right, guys, I'm Chris Surratt, the Car Concierge. Thanks for checking out the show. Please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Hit me in the comments if you have any questions, and I'm out. Peace.